Find the perimeter of a semicircular window of radius 30 centimeters. Take pi as 22 divided by 7. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to find the perimeter of a semicircular window that has a radius of 30 centimeters. The window is semicircular, which means that it is in the form of a semicircle. So it looks like this. The question says that the radius is 30 centimeters. That means that the distance from the center to this point is 30 centimeters, and the distance from the center to this point is also 30 centimeters. So the distance from this point to this point, which will be the diameter, will be 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters, which is 60 centimeters. We want the perimeter. The perimeter of a figure is the total distance around the figure. So the perimeter of the figure we have here will be the total distance around it. We have seen that the distance from this point to this point is 60 centimeters. So what we need is the circumference of the semicircle we have here. So we have to find the circumference of the semicircle. We know that the circumference of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. This is a semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. So if the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, then the circumference of a semicircle will be half of 2 pi r, which is 1 divided by 2 times 2 pi r. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and so you'll be left with pi r. So the circumference of a semicircle is given by the formula pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. The question tells us that the radius is 30 centimeters. We have pi to be 22 divided by 7. We will substitute them into the formula to get the circumference of the semicircle. This will give us 22 divided by 7 times 30 centimeters. 22 divided by 7 times 30 centimeters will give us 94.3 centimeters. So the circumference of the semicircle is 94.3 centimeters. We can now find the perimeter of the window. We know the circumference of the semicircle to be 94.3 centimeters. We know that the distance from here to the center is 30 centimeters, and the distance from the center to this point is also 30 centimeters. So the perimeter of the window, which is the total distance around the window, will be equal to 94.3 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters. And this will give us 154.3 centimeters. So the perimeter of the semicircular window is 154.3 centimeters. When we look through the options we have, we can see that the correct option is